All right, it's Tuesday, July 16th, just following up on Tesla. You can see it's moving lower here on bars 2 and 3. I bought some puts here on bar number 1 when it was breaking down below that first bar on the pre-market lows, continuing lower here. There was a liquidity target at the blue line, which was kind of this little short-term area. We're obviously heading down here until proven otherwise. I'll get to that in a second. But, I was able to scale out here of this trade. I bought the 260 puts at 12.55. I scaled out of 14 to set up a Norris trade as described in the previous video. As it's continuing lower, I sold some more at 15 and at 16. So a really nice, trade here. That's at no risk, overall. Again, anyone buying puts here, there's plenty of ways to manage the risk. So you either take gains or, can't get in trouble. But in terms of the daily chart now, what all this is just a 2-down day that has a target down here until proven otherwise on the daily chart. If it can't hit its target, whether it's today or in compound fashion, maybe it takes 2 days to get down there and then turns back up on a 2-up day, that could be a powerful buy signal of a trade that fails to reach its target. We had a big run up in this stock, so it can just be consolidating in here. At least in the short run, it's definitely heading a little lower, and there's volatility to have some nice, short-term gains. But in the bigger picture, it could be just a pause area overall, and if these little short-term pullbacks can't reach their target, it could be powerful buy signals, in the days ahead. Maybe it fails today and comes all the way back up. I don't know, but in terms of the opening price action, it was certainly heading lower here. So, and you could see it a logical area, it could be pausing. So if you just get an orderly pause in here, that would be nice, and it could have a secondary push lower. As long as it holds the midpoint of that first bar, then we keep that context in mind. And in the big picture, we're going to see if this daily chart kind of gets to its target or not. If so, that's where it's expected. If not, then it could be a powerful signal back to the upside at some point in the future.